Hello guys. In this video I am going to show you how to make an umbrella. This looks like it has seven sides. You might not think that this actually is an umbrella, but I say that it is an umbrella. So subscribe to this channel and enjoy this video, guys. Okay, so Uh, we need to now code this umbrella. So umbrella 2.python import turtle and umbrella equals turtle.pen umbrella dot dot fill color red. Actually, nah. Umbrella dot speed 0. This is not going to be slow anymore. This will going to be quite fast. So umbrella dot forward 252, which is an arbitrary number that I found out worked very well. So yeah, so in our original field, I think we did it by I think I did it by 21 this time. So for I range 252, actually nah, I'm going to do 252 divided by 21, which looks like it is going to be 12. Yep, it's 12. Uh, and then as a umbrella dot circle, uh, dot circle, which is going to be actually let's make a colors list. Colors: red, orange, yellow. Actually, nah. Green. It's going to be a list. Blue, indigo, violet. It's not going to be a dictionary because dictionary is this, but lists is this. This is, by the way, tuples. Uh, it would still work if I did it as tuples, but back to the topic. Umbrella dot fill color. Colors. I divided by actually I percent 7, which works because this is not 1, it's 0, and this equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So computers always begin with 0 instead of 1. So as I was saying, actually now, umbrella dot circle. Aha. Uh, 252 mine actually 12 0 minus 1. I think it's better. Nah, actually that's bad. 12. Umbrella dot circle. 252 minus 252 minus I times 21, basically. In fact, I might not even need these brackets. 367. Uh, we need 360 because we need to fill it in. We need to fill that up so that we could do that, which make this 7 makes it a 7-sided shape. This 360 makes it do it all the way round. So the arc size. Umbrella dot back 21. Not as I expected it to be, but umbrella dot right 90. Umbrella dot left 90. How does this work out? Worse. Umbrella dot right minus 90 minus 90. Although it is faster to do it, just swap it around. What happened? I'm just going to No, not there. As I was saying, I'm just going to do it like this. Build. Faster. It's I just put minus because I thought it was faster. Now we need to umbrella dot begin fill to fill umbrella dot end fill. Yeah. I think that's a bit big. Also, that's 12. Uh, that's way too small. I think I did it the incorrect way round. So that was meant to be 21. That's meant to be 12, actually. I think that would make it. Oh, no, 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 no. I times 12. That should be better. Yeah, that definitely is better. But actually, turtle dot done. Flying range 7. Umbrella dot 4. Umbrella dot left 360 divided by 7. Umbrella dot forward 252. Umbrella dot back 252. And that should be the ultimate umbrella. Yep. Is that the exact same? Nope. It was a bit lighter, so let's do it lime because it's a much better color. Yeah, now that's the umbrella complete. So that's the end of this video, I guess. Thank you for 48 subscribers. And for the son, we are going to. If you want me to do a son as a 50 subscriber special, subscribe to this channel so that I could actually get 50 subscribers. So goodbye.